Okay, we have done three introductory part. So from that introductory part, we are going to solve exercise 5.1 from today. Right? First question: for which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? Right? Histogram are used for what purpose? To show the group data. Right? So we will look for which one we can form as a group distribution table and which one we can form as a individual group. Okay, that is only distribution table, frequency distribution table. Okay, so first one, the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. So number of letters for different areas. Areas we can count, right? Paliyad Road, Bhavnagar Road, where Haveli Chowk. We can easily count. Do we say areas like from Haveli Chowk to Paliyad Road? No, we can't show like that. So, do we use histogram for that? Which graph we will use? Bar graph? Yes. We can show like this now. Here you can see Haveli Chowk, right? Then Paliyad Road, understood? Now for Haveli Chowk, suppose there are 5 letters, so we will place 5 letters for Haveli Chowk, right? Paliyad Road, again 5 letters. Bhavnagar Road, 7 letters. Yes, we can do Paliyad Road, Haveli Chowk, Bhavnagar Road, differently we can arrange. So it is bar graph. So we will write there. We can't use histogram for this purpose. Okay. First answer is we can't use histogram for this purpose. Or simply cross it. Okay. Make a cross mark. Second question: the height of the competitors in an athletic meeting. Okay, height of the competitors. Competitors can be many, no? Okay, it can be 100 of competitors, 200 of competitors, and heights also. It will be ranging from 130 to 135, 135 to 40. One similar group distribution table we have done, right? What we have done? We have drawn x-axis and y-axis from 135 jet line, from 135 to 140, right? Suppose there are 50 athletes. Okay, from 135 to 140. From 140 to 145. The height ranging from 140 to 145. There are more than that, suppose. So we can use histogram for this purpose. So make a tick mark that here histogram. Okay. Next, the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. What it will be? Histogram or bar graph? What it will be? Histogram or bar graph? Pay attention properly. Again, this is like a letter box. Company XYZ. Company XYZ produced 10 cassettes. Okay. Company X, company Y produced 10 cassettes. 5 companies, no? There are only 5 companies. Number of cassettes will be different. Number of cassettes will be on the y-axis. So will it be histogram? No. It is not histogram. Okay? Clear or not? You are watching numbers. Don't watch numbers. Take 2 parameters. Numbers also and the x-axis also. What will be on x-axis? What will be on y-axis? Both we are supposed to take. Okay? બે વસ્તુ લેવાની જરૂર છે. The number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. What it will be? 7 a.m. means from morning 7 a.m. to evening 7 a.m. 7 p.m. Sorry, from morning 7 to evening 7. There are each and every minute you don't know what is the time. So can I write from 7 to 8 a.m., 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11, 11 to 12, and then so on. Can we take? So it will be histogram, definitely. Histogram. Now with me, you are supposed to draw this one. What it says? Question number 2. It says the shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as men for M for men, W for woman, B for boy, and G for girl. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. પહેલા કલાકમાં કેટલા લોકો આવ્યા એનું લિસ્ટ આપે છે. ઓકે, W, M, G, B, right? Make a frequency distribution table using telemarks. આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? telemarks થી frequency distribution table બનાવવાનું છે. Draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Okay, so one student will tell me will dictate me what is it, and then I will put it here. Okay, એક જણ મને કહેશે ભાઈ કયા કયા ડેટા છે પહેલા, બરાબર? સૌથી પહેલા તો shoppers, telemark, અને frequency. Okay. क्रॉस कर लो बोल दो. एक मिनट. Only 4 or 4? Okay. Sorry? No. You can't count like that. You are supposed to do with telemarks. Okay, you will make error. If you are counting like that, you will make error. Use telemark, okay? Use telemark. If you want to use, it is up to you. But it should be errorless. Then don't tell me, okay, if your marks is coming. Yes. No, don't say like that. You are supposed to say woman, like that. I am going to give telemarks here. Okay? Again woman, 4 women, then girl, boy, man, woman, boy, girl, man, woman, 2 times, man, woman, again woman. Man, woman, boy, woman, girl, man, 4 times woman. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girl, woman, man, again man, woman, man. Wait a minute. 2 times done. Last woman. Okay, you are supposed to see what we have done. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 29 times woman. Please watch back side if we have not mistaken. So one time we have told I have done one time. So it is extra one time, okay? Twenty-eight, 15, 5, 12. Is it so? Okay. So total is 15, 22, 33, 43, 58, 48, 50, 60. Total 60. Okay. This is frequency distribution. This is how you are supposed to draw frequency distribution table with the scale. Okay. With the scale. Now using this information, we will draw bar graph. So please open your bar graph and draw one x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. X, Y, O. From the very next point, okay, here. From the very next point, here. With the very next point here, you will write woman. Okay. Equal spacing. ઇક્વલ સ્પેસ હોવા જોઈએ બરાબર પહેલો જેટલો સ્પેસ છોડો છો બરાબર એટલું એટલું આ બાજુ છોડવાનું ક્લિયર ને અને એક બોક્સમાં વુમેન આવવું જોઈએ one box then woman leave one box then again what is the next man then leave one box again what is it boy and then again leave one box write down girl. We are going to make a box. Don't worry. Okay. First, leave one box. In next box, you will write. In next box, you will write W. Leave one box. Then next box, man. Leave one box. Next box, boy. Leave one box. Next box, you will write girl. And how many are there? Can we write 5 distance? Can we take 5? Right? Those who are having bigger graph, they can take either 2 or 4 also. Okay, you can take 4 also. I am going to take 5. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 stoppers. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 stoppers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, pay attention properly. Those who are having smaller graph, they will have the smaller lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and the bigger one 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the bigger one 10. Like this you are going to have one line, okay? Equal spacing. Here what we will write? Stoppers? Okay? No, number of stoppers. Here you will write number of stoppers. Understood? Or name of the stoppers you can write here. Okay? Those who came. Already you have written this. No need to write there. Here number of stoppers. Clear? Now, women, how many are there? 28. So definitely 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29, sorry, yes, not here, 26, 27, 28, 29, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, we have taken 5 here, no? Sorry, my mistake. 2 will be 26. That means here it will be 26. Here it will be 27. Here it will be 28. Here it will be 29. And lastly 30. Okay, smaller one. You are supposed to take smaller one.
Okay.
2 smaller ones will be 1. Okay. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Are you all getting? Are you all getting? The smaller one you are counting, no? જે નાનું તમે કાઉન્ટ કરો છો ને, રાઈટ? નાના બે જે છે એ શું આવશે? 1 શોપર. સમજાય છે? આટલામાં 5 છે તો પહેલા બે એટલે 1 શોપર, 2 શોપર, 3, 4, 5. Here you already are here 25. So next one is 26 here, 27 here, and 28. This is our 28. So somewhere here you are supposed to drag a line. 28. Are you all getting? Just above one step. Okay, after 25, in middle you will get 27.5. One above, एक ऊपर, बराबर? एक लाइन ऊपर जे आवे ये તમારો 28 હશે. Clear? Then men, how many men are there? 15. So here, okay. Boy 5. Boys are shopping less. Women are shopping more. 12, 13, 14, and we are saying 12 now. 11, 12. So somewhere here. Are you all getting? This is how you are supposed to make a bar graph. Clear?
Sir, we have to write about 28.
You can write. Then you can write 28. Here you can write 15. Here you can write 5. Here you can write 12. But it should be 12. Huh? You are writing 12. That doesn't mean it will be 12. It should be 12. Okay? It should be 12. You can also take the measurement as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 shoppers as you wish. Okay? It is up to you. You can also take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 shoppers. Okay. Here you can also write like this. 1, 9,